Hey friends, so today I am here to do a full review for you guys on a product I have been loving, and that is the Laser Band 82 from HairMax. So as you guys might know, I have two little ones that I absolutely love, but with having kids for me came a lot of hair thinning and hair loss, especially when I had my daughter Athena. Postpartum hair loss is actually a really common thing for women, and a lot of men experience hair loss and baldness as well. And that's why I'm so excited to share this product with you guys, because this is actually a breakthrough hair growth laser device that will help your hair grow back. So I want to show you what the HairMax Laser Band 82 looks like. So here's what it looks like. So your HairMax can be used in 3 different positions, and then you leave it in place for at least 30 seconds per position. So before I show you how the Laser Band 82 works, I want to talk a little bit about how it works. So it works by delivering therapeutic light energy directly to your hair follicles through 82 medical grade lasers. And in doing that, it promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. So to start your treatment, you simply press the power button on. So I quickly just want to run through the 3 positions that you do for your 3 times a week treatment, and you do them in 30-second intervals. So this is position 1. So position 1 is right at your hairline, and it will vibrate once the 30 seconds are up and let you know, in doing so, that you should switch to the next position. So this is position 2. This is right at the top of my head. And again, it'll vibrate and let me know to go on to position 3. And this is the final position, position 3. So finally, I just want to show you my hair and talk about my experience. Personally, I've been using this for about a month, and I've got to the point where I can wear ponytails. I can pull all of my hair back, and I don't see the splotchiness and the patchiness that was right here around my temple. So if you are, or you know someone who is struggling with lack of hair growth, hair loss, postpartum hair loss, or hair thinning, I think this product would work really great for them. And I think it would be a really great investment in helping them to gain that confidence back. So I will go ahead and link this device over in stories if you want to check it out. But if you have any questions on my experience with this device that I didn't cover in this video, as always, feel free to DM me or reach out and we can chat some more.